What do we know about the materiality of the air? What is in the air that leads the World Health Organization to claim that there are more than 7 million deaths per year from air pollution? How do we understand the capacity to alter the balance of life on a scale invisible to our eyes? How can design practices help us experience the materiality of the air to imagine other possible worlds? There is no doubt that skies are closing, but we share the universal right to breathe. But we can say as well that pollution is colonialism. The air is under attack, but inertia in how we understand economy, development, and progress blurs the imagination of and the audacity to explore other paths. It is easier to imagine living without air than without capitalism. What does it mean to be in the air? Culturally, politically, and medically. It would be necessary to interweave practices, knowledges, affects, to relate the ways of living and being, making environmental, social, and mental ecologies totally inseparable. By focusing on the air we breathe, the air will no longer be something invisible that remains between what we see. We would be ecological when we breathe, knowing that each human is a planet that contains billions of microorganisms, that polluted air impacts on human health and other species with whom we have a symbiotic relationship, that we breathe in a social respiration, a collective respiration, formed by the network of relationships between various agents, objects, and sensibilities that are recognized from their fragility and interdependence and are mutually valued, feeling and thinking ourselves to act accordingly. So this is what the AIR project and the AIR exhibit produced by the students of Elisava, RMIT Europe, and the London College of Communication, that you will be able to visit from October 16th till 27th as part of the Barcelona Design Week.